In this problem, angular velocity is given as a function of time, and you need to find it out the angular acceleration at a certain time. Okay, let's do it. So the angular velocity is given as a function of time, which is 2 minus 2.1. This is 2.1. This is 2.1 time square. This is what is given here. Okay, the angular velocity is given as a function of time, and you need to find it out the angular acceleration. So this is like a velocity given, and you need to find out the acceleration. And if you remember, in linear motion, the acceleration is the change of velocity with respect to the change in time. Okay. The same way, this is the linear acceleration in linear motion. The angular acceleration is given as alpha, which is the angular velocity over time. So you just have to differentiate this one. Omega is 2 minus 2.1 t squared. So this is a constant, so this is 0 minus 2.1. This is 2 times t. Okay. So just plug in all the values here. So alpha is negative 4.2 times t, and you're asking to find out at time t equals to 9.1. So the alpha at time equals to 9.1 second. So minus 4.2 times 9.1. Plug in all the numbers. Once you find it out, once you do your math, this becomes minus 38.22 radian per second squared.